Hi guys, Laz here, and welcome to the final video, which is international setup. Now, within your shop, you have channels. Each channel corresponds to a country. So, the number of channels that you have, depending on your price plan, 3, 10, or 150, or unlimited, is the number of countries that you can advertise to. In this plan, we have three, so we have US, UK, and Canada. Now, once you've gone ahead and done everything that we did in editing your feed and setting up the categories, including and excluding products, messing with the title, all that good stuff, you will have this feed URL right here. Now, this is what you will be using to upload your products to the Google Merchant Center. So that is a very easy, simple process. You can actually just look up how to do that. But once you do that, Google does check to approve or disapprove your feed. In most instances, you will get approved, but in some instances, you may get disapproved, and there might be some issues with how your products are named, some of the labels on your store, and some of that stuff. So, if you want to avoid all that hassle, you can actually contact support, and they will do this for you if you are getting disapproved. Now, of course, there's a fee. They will actually go in there, they will do the shopping feeds for you, make sure everything is good, and they will make sure it's approved and ready to go. You can actually click feed setup here and you fill out all your information, what you want them to do, etc., and they will do this for you. Now keep in mind that there's also a currency converter tool that we will be using for international expansion, and our friends here at Data Feed Watch, they actually have an entire outline on how to set this up. So I will post this link down below as well, and you guys can read all this on how to set up the Google Shopping currency conversion tool so that you can advertise internationally. So yes, guys, this is pretty simple. You want to Once you've done that, you want to just go into your shop and grab these feed URLs and upload them to Google. If you're getting this approved, you can reach out to our friends at Data Feed Watch, say that Laz sent you, and they will be more than glad to assist you in any issues that you need. Now again, the link to the app is down below in the video. Every video actually has had the link down below in case you guys want to get the app. But yeah, you can get this here. They're really good at helping out with whatever issues you may need, so you can reach out to them. They are the experts, guys. I'm just a messenger when it comes to this. This is something that we've been actually looking for in our own store, and we are setting up ourselves. But if you need expert advice, just reach out to them. They're very easily to talk to. Just click here, and just send them a new conversation. I reached out to Paula already, and yeah, guys. So basically, yes. Uh, that's pretty much it for international ads, Google Shopping ads, and I hope this helps you guys grow your business. I hope this helps set up your international ads, and I hope you guys continue to kill it in the e-commerce space. All right, guys, wishing you all the best. Cheers, and see you in the future.